Hello friends, this is Dr. Satyajit from Sun Homeo Clinic, Barchana, Jajpur, Odisha. Today we will discuss the third part of phosphorus, that is phosphorus child. The phosphorus child is very curious, love to touch, make friends, plays, communicates. And in the rubric communicative, if we will discuss that are 5 remedies: aconite, alumina, baryta, lachesis and phosphorus. Now about aconite. Aconite knows he cannot reflect his mind by his words. So he tries to make understand the physician about his inner feelings. He is communicative and demonstrative. Now about alumina. Alumina is objective reasonable. He talks with physician, he communicates with physician, only with physician, because he knows only physician can help him to come out from this crisis or his disease condition. About baryta. Baryta is mild, timid in presence of others, but is very communicative in home or the person who are close relatives with his friends. So baryta is communicative at home. Now about lachesis. Lachesis is talkative. He talks hours, but there is no head or tail in his talk. He laments. He communicates with physician. Now about phosphorus. Phosphorus is talkative. Phosphorus does not lament, and phosphorus is extrovert. He is excitable and expressive. By communicating, he wants to impress the physician. This is all about communicative. Now we will discuss another rubric, that is affectionate return affection. Phosphorus is affectionate and he return affection. He accepts the affection and returns it. The only aim is to make a good report. He wants to make friends and he wants affection and he returns it. The another medicine is pulsatilla, also affectionate return affection. The pulsatilla is very mild. He is very emotional. He wants love and affection from others. He observes love and affection. So he desires more and more love. So he returns affection to get more and love affection from others. Now friends, we will discuss another rubric which is very important in phosphorus, that is coquettish and foppish. The foppish means he is very careful about his dressing. He is careful about his look up, his beauty. And coquettish is sensual attraction. He dresses herself like an actor, like a model. And the aim of the foppishness and coquettish of phosphorus is to attract others. There are also other remedies in this rubric. They are lachesis, platina and veratrum. All are proud-feeling. Veratrum thinks himself as if he is a prince. Lachesis boasts himself. And platina has superiority feeling. But phosphorus has not above things as in platina, as in lachesis, as in veratrum. His main concern to attract others to make his work. Now we will discuss another important rubric, that is magnetized desire for. Magnetized desire for means to attain the power of magnet. There are 4 remedies, that are calcarea, lachesis, phosphorus and silesia. Lachesis thinks as if he is very exclusive. He behaves and does work to make this exclusiveness in presence of others. If there is debt, he returns it immediately. He does work for hours during sickness. He shows others he is very exclusive. So he desire magnetized others by his work. Now we will discuss about Lachesis in relation with magnetized desire for. Lachesis always communicates with doctor. He communicates because he desire to attain the power of magnet by visiting the doctor again and again. He desire assurance from doctor that he is in well, he is in good condition about his health. So to get it, he always visits and wants the magnetic power from the doctor. Now we will discuss about the phosphorus. Phosphorus always wants to become the center of attraction. So he desire magnetized and magnetized ameliorates in phosphorus. The main aim of phosphorus is to make attract others. Now we will discuss the last one, that is Silesia. The Silesia wants consolation, but only in this condition when he is in bad state of health. He wants consolation from others. He became magnetized by the physician or by a powerful person. This is all about magnetized desire for, puppies and coquettish of phosphorus, affection, return affection of phosphorus, and communicative of phosphorus. These four things make the phosphorus very important. These things is important for phosphorus. Now we will discuss the general nature of phosphorus. Phosphorus child is very curious. He wants everything. He asks everything even in clinic. During clinic, he asks many questions to doctor. He has eyes on his compounder. So by making alert, by watching everything, he wants to know what is happening about his circumstances. So he acts likely. He is good in nature and wants to show others that he is mild, he is attractive, he plays, he loves. But there is only one reason. That is, if we will consider the another aspect, we can understand it easily. That is, the phosphorus is very fearful. He fears cockroaches. He fears thunderstorm. He fears earthquakes. But the fear of cockroach is very important in case of phosphorus, because the cockroach is a mild one. No one fears it, but phosphorus fears it. That means he has great fear in his mind about the little things. But he represents himself as if he is very curious, he is very playful, he is very communicative, and he is very bright. And by this representation, he improves himself. He make a impression in others' eyes that he is very important one. But actually he has lot of fears, he has lot of darks. It is nothing but the hypocrisy of phosphorus child. We have to understand it. Now, before concluding phosphorus, we have to know the play of phosphorus. If we will consider the playfulness, there is no phosphorus. If we will consider play desire for, there is no phosphorus. But phosphorus plays. Phosphorus plays with maliciousness. He is malicious. There is a rubric in Lachesis that is, he is very tricky, he is very funny, and he wants to play with dirty tricks with teacher. There is Lachesis and Ginkom. Phosphorus has also these symptoms, that is, plays dirty tricks with his teacher. There is Ginkom and Phosphorus, but it is concerned always with dirty tricks, and that is maliciousness, but Lachesis is always funny. That means the dirty tricks he plays in Phosphorus, that is, the Phosphorus child is very attached with emotionally. He plays with emotion of others. It is very important. The Lachesis plays for fun, but Phosphorus plays with emotion of others, with emotion of very important persons, with his parents, with his friends, with his family, with his doctor. After complete his work, after getting his health, he will not recognize you. He will not recognize you as you are a doctor. You help him. That is the main theme of Phosphorus. So we should understand it clearly before prescribing. By this we can prescribe a good remedy about Phosphorus, and we can cure many patients by prescribing Phosphorus. That is all about, and thanks.